CreativeSarah here, and today I have some really cool projects that I'm going to show you. Well, one really cool project that I'm going to show you, and this is something you can totally put in your den, in your kitchen, in your outdoor bar area, indoor bar area. You're going to love this. So I'm using one of our background, the 4 texture patterns. This is the polka dotted one. It's like a distressed polka dot. And then I'm using from our oh, call me old fashioned transfer. This one is our happy hour. It says good life, good drinks, good times, good friends, happy hour. Okay, so I have grabbed myself a 9x9 box frame. All right, I'm going to use the wood side, and for once I'm not going to paint it. I've grabbed myself a round wood cutout that I'm going to be using, and together with our dune and our black velvet, we're going to create a really cool piece. All right, so here we go. This right here is good. We're gonna just wax it a little bit because it is a wood surface. The best thing for our transfers is to not stick to raw wood. Because wood is porous and it's fibrous. Anything fibrous can peel and stick right to the backing of your transfer, and you don't want that. That feels nice and smooth. All right, so then I'm going to label. All right, now I definitely want to fuzz. Using my fuzzing cloth. You can find these on my online shop. Of course, all the supplies that I'm using today are linked right in the description, the project supply list. So you can click on that and see everything there. If there is something in that list that you don't need, you can delete it right from the cart. All right, I fuzzed it. Now I'm just going to lay it down in here. This fits perfectly inside our 9x9 box frame. There will be a little border around it. It's going to be beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and use our small squeegee with this so that I can get them, get a good amount of coverage, and it'll be really fast. Done. Ah, oh, beautiful. Can you see? Real cute, subtle background. Now I'm going to take my circle that I cut, and I'm just going to paint it with some of our, when you have the raw wood and you want to paint with our chalk paste, the best way to do it is to spray a little bit of water or put a little bit of water down. It soaks in, but it helps spread this chalk so much nicer. Again, raw wood, so we're going to wax. We're gonna fuzz. And then we're gonna center it on our circle. And we're gonna use our same Dune chalk paste. Now dry. If you're brand new to my channel, go ahead and comment the word VIP. Or if you aren't in my free group yet, you're gonna wanna do that. Comment VIP. I will send you a message and a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Now, all we have to do is get that centered. So cool. It's going to be so cool when it is complete. Very cool. Now, as I look at this, I want to make it pop a little more. So, watch what I do. Take my same black chalk paste, get this wet a little bit, and I'm just going to brush some black onto my face of the frame. Doesn't have to be solid to make a difference, you guys. You can do just a very light water color version, or like a wash. And it is gonna make this pop. Wait till I show you the final piece. Look how much better, right? You guys, so easy. If you have not joined our Project Kit Club, you're gonna want to do that. Type club in the comments and I'll send you the information to join our club. I'm telling you, it is an amazing deal. It's $21.99 a month and you get a project kit every single month. It's awesome. And if you are thinking of becoming a designer too, and you want to start your own creative business, go ahead and type team in the comments. I'll send you some information and a link where you can watch a really cool opportunity video. You can ask me questions, anything you want, no holds barred. Let's go. All right, guys, have an amazing rest of your day and thanks for watching.